Kanban methodology in project management, a complete guide. Every industry wants to enhance its productivity and efficiency during project completion, and to achieve that goal.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Kanban methodology is used. Kanban methodology is a visualization technique in agile project management. The Kanban process originated in the Toyota production process. It uses cards, boards, and visual signals to help teams organize their processes and track progress. It enables teams to easily visualize a workflow in real time and to identify progress at a glance. Kanban board is used in this technique. Kanban board is a project visualization tool that is primarily used in manufacturing industries, but the usage of Kanban methodology can also be seen in tech industries nowadays. Let us learn more about the key principles and practices of Kanban methodology in the next section. For major principles of Kanban methodology, the Kanban framework is designed to help teams reduce bottlenecks, improve efficiencies, increase quality, and boost output. Kanban is based on 4 principles and 6 core practices. The 4 principles of Kanban methodology are: start with now, focus on what you're doing now. Fully understand the processes already in place, including what works and what doesn't. Take an incremental approach, look at how to slowly change your processes over time. Avoid implementing radical changes. Keep roles. Unlike other frameworks that promote their unique roles, Kanban emphasizes working with the roles your team already has. Encourage leadership. Innovation and ideas for improvement should be promoted at all levels. Encourage every employee to act as a leader, regardless of role or title. What is a Kanban board? The Kanban board is a physical or virtual board that maps out your project's workflow and how tasks move through it from beginning to completion. A Kanban board ensures the workflow is standardized, and that team members can easily see where each task is in the overall scheme. The most basic Kanban board only has 3 workflows: to do, in progress, and complete. But columns can be added or changed to suit your project. Each task is represented as a card and placed on the board in the column representing its current stage of work. As tasks progress, the card is moved throughout the workflow. Each card will contain information about the task, such as a short description, the name of the person responsible, an estimate of how long it will take.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.